So here now we will journey from the origin of Mahadayi River, which is at Degaon in Belgaum district of Karnataka state. Then there is a sacred grove, I said, on the hill called a small hillock, not much tall, and it is inconspicuous. It is not a big mountain, also known as Bautacho Dongor or the Hill of Flags. I repeat again, Hill of Flags or Bautacho Dongor is the traditionally known origin of the mighty Mahadayi River. So from Bautacho Dongor it goes up to one of the another historic point, that is the fort of Agwada. And most interestingly, the fort of Agwada also has a name which is derived from aqua, because there is a cistern in the fort which stores the water for providing it to the ship, because Agwada for hundreds of years, right from the period of the I would say Vijayanagara, it was a minor port, and even now it is officially known as a outer Panjim port. It is a notified port which is beyond the jurisdiction of the Marmagao Port Authority. So we know Agwada also is a very strong fort which is built in a strategic place, and it derives its name from aqua or water. So interestingly, that is the place, that is the location on the Arabian Sea where finally the journey of our Mahadayi River ends as a Mandovi River, Mandovi estuary, with its salinity at that point. And uh, when we travel back all along that particular aquatic highway, we cross Goa Karnataka border and we land up, as we travel further backwards, we will reach this Bautacho Dongor, which is towards the southeast of Degaon village. Now this Degaon village is not easily found on the satellite maps also. I don't know the reason. I'm trying my best to pinpoint it, and perhaps I will be successful with the help of better topo sheets. So there is a spring there, and from this spring, local people believe that the Mahadayi River originates from this spring. Then it widens naturally because as it flows down the slope, then it slowly turns towards the left side of the village, and then when it is slightly wider, that stream is known as Mahadayi River locally. On north, we have Gawali village. Now, this is a very interesting name because there was a king called Gohaladeva, and we have Goli Maula village in Santandre constituency in Tiswadi Island of North Goa district. So, maybe from the king Gohala, that Gohali name, Gawali is a local name. And on the southern side of the village, we have a very ancient temple of Brahmani Maya. Now she is a manifestation of earth goddess. All over Mahadayi River Basin, we have a very dominant, powerful ancient cult of earth goddess, mother goddess worship in iconic or uniconic form. You will see it later as we encounter more locations along the journey of the river from its source at Degaon on Bautacho Dongor. So there is a small tank in front of this Brahmani Maya temple. So basically, some of the people believe that the tank is also an origin of the Mahadayi River. It doesn't matter, but we see that the tank is not always full of water. It is almost the tank bed is almost dry during the summer. And there is a local saying that uh, people call this uh, stream which begins from the temple tank as a river of sacred or holy water, or tirthachini. We know tirth means holy water. In Christianity also, holy water has its own importance and significance. And among Hindus also, sacred water or holy water has a lot of cultural, religious, and spiritual significance. That's why the water of river Ganga or Ganges, Ganga Jal, is considered as nectar or amrit. for every Hindu who would like to have few drops of these on his or her tongue before death, before he leaves for his final journey or her final journey. So that's why people traditionally believed that this Tirthachi Nai could be the real source of Mahadayi river. So we see two hypotheses. One hypothesis is the fountain or the spring that begins from Bautaza Dongor and comes down, becomes a stream, and then further it becomes, after other streams and tributaries join, wider and mightier, and then slowly, our Mahadayi river begins its journey by taking its its real shape. And we'll see how it is as we go to Bukeli. Bukeli is another area where there are two confluence of Degaon and Nanewadi river. Now this Nanewadi stream also I found it little difficult to trace on the Google Earth satellite maps, but it is seen on topo sheets. So we see a confluence of two streams which are contributing water to the wider stream of Mahadayi as it journeys towards Goa. So Degaon and Nanewadi river confluence, they start flowing in the northeast direction. So from Gawali, what we know as Tirthachi Nai, that it flows near a place called Wadiche Mal, and then near Wadiche Mal, Tirthachi Nai, or this river of holy water or sacred water, it meets Degaon and Nanewadi confluence, the water which comes out. So this is the morphology of the river, that first you get the confluence of Degaon and Nanewadi, and then there is another stream called Tirthachi Nai, and this confluence gives the shape to the what is known as our Mahadayi below place called Wadichemal. In the next video, fifth video, we will see how the river takes shape, its channel takes shape further and further.